We also have the sectoral planning councils. Yung mga sectoral planning councils naman, they work closely as well with the industry. Tapos they plan the R&D roadmaps and technology roadmaps na pwedeng puntahan ng industry. At dapat pagtuunan ng pansin at pagtuunan ng pondo at pagtuunan ng research and development efforts, not just of the whole DOST system, but also yung mga network ng DOST ng R&D institutions, kasama yung ating mga higher education institutions, mapa-private man sila or mapa-state universities. So meron kaming tatlo. First is on agriculture, aquatic and natural resources, research and development. So sa area ng agriculture and aquatic resources, sila po ang in charge. We also have the Philippine Council for Health Research and Development. So madalas po sa inyo, malamang madalas nakikita nyo sa TV yung pinaka agency head po ng Philippine Council for Health Research and Development. So we have a lot of involvement with the programs for contra COVID. So andun yung dengue program, and then andun din yung mga technology development against COVID. Meron din po kami ng Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technologies, Research and Development. So sila naman yung basically liaises with the different industry sectors to set the different technology maps or different R&D programs naman for the industry. Yung councils namin na ito, sila din ay nagpo-provide ng mga research and development. Sila din ay nagpo-provide din ng research and development funds and ng monitor ng mga research and development initiatives sa buong Pilipinas. We also have yung mga tinatawag namin na research and development institutions. So ito namang mga ito ay sila yung mga nag-undertake ng new studies for technology development. Bukod doon, nagbibigay din sila ng mga consultancy services or S&T services kasama ang mga testing services sa ating pong iba-ibang sektor ng ekonomiya. So kasama po natin dyan ang Advanced Science and Technology Institute. So ito po ay nasa Quezon City. So sila yung, kung maalala nyo po sa disaster risk reduction, may mga rino-roll out kami mga automatic crane cages, automatic weather stations. So kasama po sila sa mga nag-develop ng mga iyon. Kasama din po natin ang Food and Nutrition Research Institute. So sila naman ang nag-undertake ng mga nutritional studies. And nagkakaroon din po sila ng mga product development na anchor doon sa pag-i-improve ng malnutrition status ng buong Pilipinas. So recently, ang mga recent na mga linaunch nila ng mga produkto, yung Enhanced Nutriband. Kasama din po natin ang Forest Products Research and Development Institute.